We are back today with a massive Halara haul. Hi loves, welcome back to today's video and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Fabiola for those of you that don't know me, and I love to create all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you're into, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll leave you all the links and handles down below as always. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's Halara haul. There's also a new program at Halara. It's called the Halara Circle, and basically you can help shape the future of Halara and help with your input and feedback. All you have to do is sign up during open enrollment. You get to choose the product, you test it, you try it, and you keep it. And basically what it does is your input helps them to create styles that you'll definitely love. So go ahead and check it out on their website. It's pretty easy to sign up. You get notified when the new products are out, you get to try them, review them, and you get to shape the future of new, cool, awesome designs. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a bunch of new items that I recently got from Halara, and I just got a little bit of everything. I got so excited, especially because now spring and summer is coming. I needed some pop of color in my wardrobe, and what better way to shop than go to Halara, because they literally have basically everything you can think of. They have activewear, leisure wear, casual wear, and basically anything. They even have like party dresses. They also have a wide variety of sizes, and they also have multiple colors to choose from in most of their pieces. So if you're looking to shop at Halara, I highly recommend you check them out. I also have a coupon code. If you want to shop there, you can save yourself a little bit of money. So go ahead and use coupon code FABIOLA15, and I'll leave you the link down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and use that and add it to your cart. But I'm very excited just to share with you all the incredible pieces that I was able to pick up, not to mention all their items on their website is super affordable and their quality is just incredible. But before I get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to Halara for sponsoring today's video and sending out all these gorgeous pieces for me to do an honest review. And that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Did want to mention that I am wearing a size medium in everything in today's video, and I am 5'6" for reference in case you're wondering. So that being said, let's go ahead and start off with this outfit that I'm actually currently wearing. This beautiful outfit is actually two different pieces, and it is both from Halara. Let's start off with the top. So this gorgeous top, I'm already obsessed. The moment I put it on, I fell in love with it. It is the most comfortable, beautiful top I have ever tried. It is all mesh, it's all see-through, but it is a very stretchy mesh. And it already comes with like a lightly padded bra, so you don't need to worry about a thing. And I almost want to go back and reorder this in another color just so I can have multiple colors of the same top because it is so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. It is an off-shoulder top. So this top right here is called the Sheer Mesh Off-Shoulder Chest Ruched Party Top in white. It just looks so pretty. And then check out the back. It is all see-through and it is extremely comfortable. I love this top. I feel like a princess, and I'm so glad I picked it out. So let's talk about the skirt. The reason why I picked the skirt is because I thought it would go perfectly with the mesh top, and I'm so glad I did because it looks almost kind of like it's meant for each other. So the skirt that I am wearing is called the high-waisted drawstring contrast mesh 2-in-1 side pocket flowy mini flare casual skirt. And this skirt is beautiful. It has layers of mesh and it is like a thicker material, but again, it's super comfortable, very soft, very stretchy. When I'm saying stretchy, like this is so stretchy. So comfortable. It does have a little drawstring here so you can adjust the waist. The waist area is very comfortable, very thick. It also comes with a side pocket right here so you can store either your phone, your credit card, anything you need in one pocket. So here we have two more gorgeous pieces. Again, these are two different pieces, both from Halara. We're going to start off first with this gorgeous top that I am already obsessed with. So this beautiful top is called the Softlyzero Plush Long Sleeve Thumbhole 2-in-1 Cropped Yoga Sports Top. And it's literally everything that the title says. It is almost like a yoga top because it is so stretchy. Like, I just feel so comfortable in this top. I could wear this top all day long. And what's great about it is that the cups are padded, so you don't have to worry about wearing a bra or a sports bra. So comfortable. And of course, it's pink. This skirt is called the Softlyzero Airy Comfort High-Waisted Crossover 2-in-1 Side Pocket Flare Cool Touch Tennis Skirt. It is beautiful. I love that the waistband, it is in this beautiful V, which complements the waist and just makes it look more snatched and gives it a really nice like dimension. Like, I'm loving this, loving everything about it. The material on the skirt, it is extremely soft. Again, very stretchy, just like everything from Halara. All their clothing pieces are extremely stretchy. And check this out, it has the shorts, just like all their pieces. And the shorts feature a built-in pocket. It does come in multiple colors, but of course, you know me, I had to get pink. So these shorts are called the super high-waisted back pocket and side hidden pocket 2-in-1 yoga shorts. Check them out. They do have an inner part of them that is very, very stretchy. These have got to be the most beautiful shorts I own. The back is also very comfortable. It has a thick waistband, very, very stretchy. And it has a secret pocket compartment on the side. Up next, we have the most comfortable pair of pants that you will ever own. These are one of their most popular pants from Halara, and if you're looking for work pants, look no further. Halara has the most incredible work pants and they are extremely comfortable. So the pants that I'm wearing are called the Halara Flex High-Waisted Body Sculpt Waist Slimming Side Pocket Wide Leg Micro Waffle Work Pants. I got them in black and they do come in other colors. I definitely want to grab myself another pair of these in a different color. I honestly didn't think they would be this comfy, but I could honestly wear these to the gym and work out in them and I would still be very comfortable at the same time. So these pants are beautiful. I love the material, that micro waffle weave. It's so small, like you can't even tell it's like made out of that material, but it just looks so elegant and just very, very dressy. I also love the waistband, again, super stretchy, and the legs itself are very, very wide. If you can see here, like extremely wide, and they're just so comfortable. Like, I am obsessed with these work pants. Check out this gorgeous skirt right here. I am already in love with it. It is so pretty and I'm so glad I picked it up in this like light shade of blue. I don't normally have these kind of colors in my wardrobe and that's why I decided to get it just to give it a little pop of color. So this skirt that I'm wearing is called the Everyday High-Waisted Pocket-Tiered Petal 2-in-1 Golf Skirt. And what I love about this skirt is that it has little ruffles. So that's where you get the tiered look from. And it's so pretty. It is extremely soft, like very soft, very, very cooling, very stretchy as well. And check this out. It also comes in with its built-in shorts, which is the most popular thing that all these skirts have at Halara. I am wearing this top right here, which is from last year, and it's actually also from Halara, and that's why I wanted to wear it because I think it goes perfect with it. It looks so, so pretty. I'm like obsessed. Check out the back. So this is the back of the skirt. Up next, I have this beautiful mini skirt in this beautiful soft lavender color. It also comes in multiple colors, but I'm so glad I chose this because I don't really own anything in this shade. And it's just very pretty. So the skirt is called the Everyday High-Waisted Side Pocket 2-in-1 Micro Mini Golf Skirt Clarity, and it is beautiful. Like, that's all I can say. It's the most perfect skirt and it is extremely comfortable. You can go work out in this skirt. You can go running, run errands, use it for a night out. And that's what I like about Halara's clothing is that it's just so versatile and you can definitely dress them up or down. So the skirt has this really nice detail on the side here. And it almost makes it look like it has like a slit on the sides of the thigh, but it's just so, so pretty. And it's very, very slimming. There's no front pockets or anything, as well as the back. There's no front pockets. Check out this detail in the back. It gives you this like curved look. It also has the built-in shorts and the deep pocket. I feel so beautiful in this dress. OMG, this dress is gorgeous. So this dress is called the Square Neck Backless Corset Ruched Split Bodycon Midi Casual Dress. I got this dress in Sequoia. It did come in other colors, but when I saw this color, I fell in love with it because I think it's going to pair up perfectly with gold accessories and maybe some like gold sandals for the summer. Like, oh my goodness, this dress is to die for. And that's why I love Halara because they have the most flattering dresses on their website. It's so pretty. Everything about this dress, I'm obsessed. I love the fact that it has that corset effect on the top right here. It does have built-in bra, so you don't have to worry about wearing like a special bra for it or anything. It already comes with everything. All you have to do is just put it on and look incredible. And it also has that really nice like ruched effect in the tummy area. It has that nice high slit on the side of the thigh, which looks very elegant and classy. Like this paired up with like either some like high heels or some gold sandals, like amazing, beautiful. Here's the back. It's just very like simple and very, very elegant. I'm obsessed, and the length of the dress is just perfect. Here I have this beautiful romper. This one here is called the V-neck short sleeve side pocket waffle casual romper, and I did pick this up in the shade Mashed Taro Purple. It's such a pretty like purple pastel color, and I'm so glad that I got it in this shade. What's nice about this romper is that it is very casual, but it looks dressy at the same time, and I love the detail in the neck area that has like that nice deep V, so you can definitely sport like a nice necklace to go with it. It's gonna look so pretty. It feels so comfortable all around it. It has an elastic waistband that is very stretchy. This romper also features two side pockets, and you can't even tell that this has pockets on the side. It's like so nicely concealed in there. We're down to our last piece. So here I am wearing the adjustable strap button multiple pockets waffle casual overalls. Did pick this up in the shade rose tan because of course, you know, I had to choose something pink, and I'm so glad I did because this is such a beautiful color. I've never owned a pair of overalls, believe it or not. This is my first pair and I am already in love with these. Like, what have I been missing? They're just so beautiful. I love that they're also made out of that waffle knit material, which is very nice. It's like very thin, very flowy. It does have that wide leg detail, so they're very wide. You can move in these, you can run, you can stretch, you can do yoga, you can do anything in these beautiful overalls. I love the fact that it does give you that option to adjust the strap. It does have 3 buttons, and I did adjust mine to the second one. I just feel like the other one was just a little bit too low, but you can definitely adjust it, and you can even go higher up if you need to. It does have like a cute little front pocket right here, which is adorable. Like, I'm obsessed. I did pair it up with just like a top underneath it. You can pair it up with anything, and it looks incredible. These also have pockets, and what I like about them is that they're not like super obvious, so they're kind of just like hidden on the top right here, but they do have 2 side pockets on each side. I'm just like obsessed about everything with this overalls. Like, if you're a teacher, because I'm a teacher, these are going to be like perfect. Like, I'm already like imagining myself wearing these tomorrow. So those are all the pieces that I got from Halara. I will leave you all the links to all the products mentioned in today's video down in the description bar below. Like I said, they do have many colors and they come in a variety of sizes. And I can honestly tell you that every time I get something from Halara, I'm always very, very happy with it. And I love the quality and everything about their products. So definitely check them out. There's always something for someone on their website. If you're looking for an outfit, for sportswear, anything, check them out. You're not going to regret it. And don't forget to use my coupon code FABIOLA15. So that was it for today's video. I hope you loved it. I love you all so, so much. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.